Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change a drive letter in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. If you want to change a drive letter assigned to a drive, or you have a drive that doesn't yet have a drive letter, use disk management to change it. Important: if you change the drive letter of a drive that already contains Windows or apps might have trouble running or finding the drive. We suggest not changing the drive letter of a drive that already contains Windows or apps. Right-click the Start menu, or press Windows key plus X and click on Disk Management. In Disk Management, right-click the volume on which you want to change or add a drive letter, and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. To change the drive letter, select Change. To add a drive letter if the drive doesn't already have one, select Add. Select the new drive letter and choose OK. Then select Yes when prompted about how programs that rely on the drive letter might not run correctly. Note: if you don't see the Change Drive Letter and Paths option or it's grayed out, the volume either isn't ready to receive a drive letter, or it's unallocated and needs to be initialized. It might also be that the drive isn't accessible, which is the case with EFI system partitions and recovery partitions. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.